Today, I'll walk you through how to add a folder to your Chrome Bookmarks bar. A simple trick that can instantly make your browsing life way more organized. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to group related bookmarks into neat folders directly on your Bookmarks bar, so you can access your favorite sites faster and keep everything tidy. If your Bookmarks bar is getting messy, or you just want an easy way to sort your go-to websites by project, subject, or priority, this is definitely for you. Let's jump right in. First, start by opening your Google Chrome browser. I know, sounds basic, but just make sure you're on Chrome, since these steps are specific to this browser. If you're new to Bookmarks or the Bookmarks bar, it's that little strip just below your address bar where you can quickly access saved websites. If you don't see it, you might need to press Ctrl+Shift+B on your keyboard to toggle it on. Once Chrome is open, take a look at the Bookmarks bar itself. You'll see a button or link called All Bookmarks. Go ahead and click that. Now, it might look a little different depending on your settings or if you've customized your bookmarks, but generally, it's easy to find. Think of it as your Bookmarks control center. After you've clicked All Bookmarks, pay attention to the small icon or button that says Open Side Panel. This is how you'll view all your bookmarks in a full panel that slides out from the side of the browser window. The side panel makes it much easier to see everything at once, and it's a great tool for organizing. So click Open Side Panel, and you should see all your bookmarks neatly displayed. Now, here comes the magic moment, adding a new folder. At the very top of the side panel, you'll see an option labeled New Folder. This is what you'll use to create a container for your related bookmarks. Just click it, and a new folder will pop up among your bookmarks. Pause here for a second if you need to. The folder might be called Untitled at first. To make the folder truly useful, you'll want to give it a name that makes sense for how you plan to use it. Maybe it's Work Projects, Recipes, or Favorite Blogs. To rename the folder, look for the 3 vertical dots next to it. This is Chrome's way of saying More Options. Click those dots, and in the menu that appears, select Rename. Type in whatever name suits your needs, then hit Enter or click away to save. And congratulations! You've just made a new folder on your Bookmarks bar. Now, you can drag bookmarks into it, or save new sites right there for easy access. This is especially handy if you tend to have a lot of bookmarks and want to avoid scrolling or searching through a big list. I think of folders almost like file cabinets. They keep your digital tools sorted so you can grab what you need when you need it. That's all it takes. If you ran into any hiccups or Chrome looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. It's likely just a small difference in the version or your personal settings. Take a moment to play around with your new folder and see how you can organize your bookmarks to save time down the road. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing for more straightforward tech guides. If you have any questions or want to share how you're organizing your bookmarks, drop a comment below. I love hearing your tips and helping out when I can. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.